Hello, today we will guide you through how to record an asset purchased with a loan in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll set up the accounts you need in QuickBooks Online and then begin recording the transaction with a journal entry. This is helpful when you purchase an asset, such as equipment or a vehicle using borrowed funds, because you typically need both an asset account and a loan liability account to keep your books organized. Start by going to the chart of accounts under Accounting. This is where QuickBooks stores all the categories used to track your financial activity, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Once you're in the chart of accounts, click New Account at the top. This will open the account setup window so you can create the first account you need. Enter a sample account name in the appropriate fields. This first account is intended to represent the asset you purchased, so make sure the name clearly identifies what it is. After entering the sample account details, follow the on-screen procedure to finish creating the account. Take a moment here to review the account type and details before saving, since accuracy at this stage helps avoid confusion later. Next, click New Account again. Now you'll create the second account needed for the loan side of the transaction. Enter a sample name for this account as well, using a name that makes it easy to recognize as the financing or loan account. When choosing the account category, click Long-Term Liabilities. This is the section generally used for loans that will be repaid over time rather than immediately. After selecting that option and confirming the details, save the account. With both accounts created, move to the top left of the screen and hover your mouse over Create. From the menu that appears, click Journal Entry. This is where you'll begin recording the asset purchased with a loan in your books. In the Journal Entry screen, enter the account you created. At this stage, you're selecting the newly created account so the transaction can be tied to the proper category. Be sure you choose the correct account from the list, especially if you created similarly named accounts during setup. As you complete this process, it's a good idea to double-check spelling, account selection, and classification before moving forward. Clean account setup makes future reporting much easier and helps ensure the purchase and loan are reflected correctly in QuickBooks Online. That's how to get started recording an asset purchased with a loan in QuickBooks Online.